Welcome to today's English listening practice story. This is a Level 3 English story called I Raised Him Alone. Vocabulary Preview. Before we begin today's story, here are a few words you will hear. Single mother, a woman who raises her child alone without a partner. Courage, the ability to face fear or difficulties without giving up. Despair, a feeling of extreme sadness or hopelessness. Thrive, to grow, develop, and succeed. Strength, the quality of being strong, mentally, emotionally, or physically. Odd jobs, small, temporary pieces of work, usually to earn money. Now that you know the key words, let's begin our story. My name is Maya. I am 36 years old. I am a single mother. When my son, Liam, was born, his father disappeared. No calls, no messages. From that moment, I knew I had to raise him alone. I had no one to rely on, just him. The first year was the hardest. I barely slept. I worked odd jobs during the day and cleaned houses at night. Some nights, I didn't even have enough food. But I never let Liam go hungry. Seeing him smile made everything bearable. When he learned to talk, he said small things that filled my heart with joy. "Mommy, hug," he would say, or "I love you." Those words were stronger than any money or comfort. I wanted to give him a life full of love, even if it meant living with nothing. Years passed. I had no time for myself. I missed friends, celebrations, and rest, but I never missed a moment with him. I helped him with homework. I played with him in the small yard behind our home. Every time he laughed, my heart felt full. When Liam started school, people whispered, "His father left him, his mother raises him alone." Some teachers doubted he could succeed. I ignored them. I knew the love I gave him would make him strong. One day, Liam came home crying. A boy at school had taken his lunch money. He said, "Mom, I want my father here." I held him close. "I'm here, Liam. I will always be here," I said. And I meant it. I worked harder than ever. I wanted him to have opportunities I never had. I taught him how to read, write, and dream. Even when my body ached, I kept going. Even when nights were long and lonely, I never gave up. One year, a big flood hit our neighborhood. Our small house was damaged, and many neighbors lost everything. I felt fear and worry grow inside me. I didn't know how we would recover. But Liam said, "Mom, we can fix it together." I looked at him and realized he was my strength too. We worked day and night to repair our home. Neighbors helped a little. We painted, fixed the roof, and cleaned the yard. When our house was finally ready, I hugged Liam tightly. "I couldn't have done it without you," I said. He smiled. "You taught me how to never give up, Mom," he said. As Liam grew older, new challenges came. Teenagers at school teased him for being raised by a single mother. Sometimes he stayed quiet, and I could see sadness in his eyes. I told him, "Ignore them. Your life is your own. Your strength comes from what we have built together." When he became a teenager, he started helping me more. He carried groceries, cooked small meals, and cleaned the house. I saw him becoming a responsible young man. I felt proud and grateful. Every sacrifice I made, every sleepless night, was worth it. One evening, he came to me with a small gift. He said, "Mom, I saved money to buy this for you." It was a small notebook. Inside, he had written, "Thank you for never giving up on me." I held him close and cried. I realized my love had given him courage. When he graduated school, I felt a joy I cannot describe. He had worked hard, he had stayed strong, he had become kind, smart, and brave. He came to me and said, "Mom, everything I am, I owe to you." Tears filled my eyes. "I raised you alone, but we never walked alone," I said. Now Liam is a young man with a bright future. We live simply, but our home is full of love. I cook for him. He helps me when I am tired. We are a team. A mother's love gives strength, hope, and courage. Being a single mother is not easy. There are nights full of worry and loneliness. There are days when the world feels heavy. But there is also joy, pride, and love. Love that never stops. Love that raises someone against all odds. I raised him alone, and in doing so, I discovered strength I never knew I had. We faced life together, we struggled together, and we thrived together. This is my story. This is the story of a mother who loved against all odds. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Story Reading in English channel. Your support helps more stories reach people like you. With every story, our English gets better and our hearts get stronger.